Hey everyone, Sergio with the RideShare Guy. Welcome to another episode of Sergio's Diaries. Today it's a little bit of a different kind of a short video. As you all know, David Risher took over from the founders of the company last March. I think it was March of 2023. And he's been running the company ever since. How has he done? What grade would you guys give David Risher? Let's do it. Put it in the comments. A through F, obviously. Be reasonable, please. Okay? You also have to put yourselves in his shoes. But I think his shoes are doing pretty well. So I found this on the SEC website, Securities and Exchange Commission. As you should know, all insiders of the company have to declare their purchases and sales of the public company that they're working for. So, as you see in the screenshots, David Risher, because Lyft had a bad quarter, stock went down to about $9.50 or $9, basically exactly to the price where he started when he took over as CEO. So what does he do? He goes and buys $500,000 worth of Lyft shares with his own money. So Lyft CEO David Risher is putting his money where his mouth is. Last August, he had a similar purchase. This time, he bought over 1.1 million shares of Lyft stock with his own money. Now, you have to understand that at the moment, David Risher owns, with all the purchases and sales since last March, 12.1 million shares of Lyft. And Lyft stock is at $10 a share. So his Lyft net worth, at least, is about $120 million. Does he deserve $120 million to run Lyft? Now, that's not my call. I'm sure they have a board of directors who decides on executive compensation. But the bulk of those shares was awarded to him at a cost of zero when he took over as CEO, 12.25 million shares. He sold about 360,000 shares a few months ago, probably to pay taxes. But at the moment, as I said, his Lyft net worth, just Lyft net worth. We're not talking about salary. We're not talking about anything else. The stock holdings he has, with the two purchases he made with his own money. The rest was not made with his own money. He was awarded those shares as restricted stock units with a cost basis of zero, is 12.1 million shares for a total of roughly $125 million. What do you all think? Leave a comment in the show notes. It's a good job if you can get it, I guess. More importantly, please be safe and join us every Tuesday, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern on Show Me the Money Club on our YouTube channel.